start. Now session is starting as well. You see my screen, na? Visible, na?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's visible now.
So we were doing the understanding about the bean types. Chalo, request scope. This is for the one session it will make for each HTTP request and response. Suppose I am hitting one request for the getting some data from the server. Okay,
Okay.
so that will get it. Another request for the updating data. They will create another request. So 10,000 requests will come. It will create 10,000 request scope.
Okay.
What is the session? See, in browser, if you see, browser maintain the session. This user is logged in.
Hmm.
Okay, so until session is not expired, the browser has a limit like 1 days, 2 days. Okay, till now, if you Facebook, suppose I'm just logging on Facebook or any other Instagram. So if you see I logged in, and if I just come tomorrow as well, remember me the password, I'll be the same user as well. Directly goes inside of the application. I do not need to log in again. Remember?
Hmm.
So this kind of maintained by the session scope. Okay, an application is based on the servlet, whatever the servlet embedded inside the Apache or Jetty, you may say. So for their purpose, internal. WebSocket is like you may say WebSocket related message and all those. For those they maintain the sessions. But for us purpose, this is all related HTTP. HTTP related, no? For our purpose and interview purpose, these two only.
Okay.
In our life, singleton 90%, 10% maybe this we use, and lazy is different thing. Lazy is a
Okay.
different kind of property, you may say. It's not a bean, it's type of the bean slice. Chalo, we'll
Okay.
understand the singleton now. Chalo, we'll see the difference between these two. So I come here, here I am just saying, see. Application context get bean, correct? Now I get the controller 1 and controller 2, correct? This is the same controller, right now?
Yeah.
If I do s out controller dot hash code, just printing first and the second controller 2 dot hash code. So what do you assume? What will be the hash code?
Any random numerical value.
That is for the controller. But what is for the controller 2? Will it be same or will it be difference?
Different.
No. By default, as I told you, by default it's singleton only. So
Acha, it's a singleton. Yeah. Okay.
So every time we'll get the same hash code
Okay.
because the object is same in memory.
Yeah. Object is same in the
Correct?
memory, so it will direct to the same address.
Yeah, correct. And here, if I do component prototype, this scope. Here we have, here too we can give the name. Here we have a @scope @scope, and here we have prototype configurable factory dot scope prototype. So configurable factory dot scope type prototype, correct? Now let's run and see.
Correct.
We just change it. Let's run it and see. So we have two objects of same controller. Now you see the every time
Different value.
correct?
Okay. What you
That's
yeah.
it. Don't learn anything beyond that. This is the
Okay,
only
no problem.
difference. This is the only difference. No, that's why I'm just saying don't make you are here to learn Spring, not for the
Yeah,
PhD thesis. Huh?
yeah,
So things which is like has to be learn, otherwise ignore. See, there is one more
yeah.
thing in my notes. If you see top, I have one pictures as well. See this picture. I did not explain you this one. You know what is this? Hmm?
This is related to
They did to bean. Our bean.
architecture of being.
No, not architecture of the bean. How bean each classes with the मतलब integrated with each other.
Okay, how the classes of
That I
being
don't
life
want to
cycle
that I don't want to
interrelated.
teach you. Otherwise, you will get more confused.
Okay,
Okay. For now, you just understand two way. You see here below annotation base and XML base.
okay,
And if you go to the parent of the XML, see this is again a interface, and all goes where? Where?
bean factory,
All goes to bean factory. Annotation is also going to
bean factory.
ultimately. Now what I wanted to tell you?
Achieve the bean
No. हाँ मतलब only bean
implementation.
factory is the papa of all beans. You may say that. It is like centric
Okay,
interface which is responsible, either you coming from the annotation or coming from the XML. I am the only responsible to creating the bean.
okay,
This is the bean factory. This is the topmost. And I'll show you here as well. Here public application context, annotation. So annotation application context. Yeah, see, annotation application context is coming from where? Generic application context. See, I'm inside the jar of the Spring. It's coming from the
okay.
generic application context.
Generic application context.
See here, coming from the generic.
Generic application context.
Correct.
Abstract class.
Again, I will go more deeper. It's coming from the
Abstract application context.
Again, it's coming from where?
Configurable application context.
You remember?
Yeah,
Remember the relation?
yeah.
Main.
In controller. Yeah, in main.
So it's coming from this cycle. Okay, chalo, we'll since I just open na, I'll go through there as well. Then I'll show you generic say abstract say configurable. Okay, configurable is where is going?
Application context.
Let's try to go. And after that, application after that, list bean factory.
What is this? List bean factory.
And then
Bean factory.
and before bean there is nothing. This is
There's
the
nothing.
topmost interface.
Interface.
This is the topmost. Everybody inherited this one, bean factory.
Okay.
This cycle we saw from the annotation now. You remember? We just
Yeah.
dig through annotation. If you do same thing in a XML, na? Now this is your homework to do some understanding how can you reach to bean factory from XML. Just do like this one.
Okay.
Dig. You reach there.
Okay.
Okay. This is the only journey for Spring Core till here. How did you like Spring Core? Now we'll start the journey of the Spring Boot.
Yeah, it was good. So I can tell you more in the next week because I need to revise it once.
Yeah, definitely. See, till now still 2 class done. We did not even touch the Spring Boot.
Yeah.
See, so many things there. And see, this is the only thing interviewer will ask you related with the Spring Core. Beyond that,
Okay.
99% they won't go anywhere. Okay, so you remember कि every class created from the bean factory. Every bean coming,
Right.
be it XML, be it annotation. See, in Spring there is two ways to create bean, either coming from the annotation or coming from the XML, and both is coming
XML.
from the bean factory.
Right.
Bas, that's it. So this is just for your
Okay.
understanding. Go by this and all. But ultimately, picture
Yeah.
is like bean factory. So in your mind, you create like either coming from the annotation or coming from the XML. Always be the responsible is the bean factory is the topmost.
Oh,
That's it.
okay. So
Rest,
can you provide these notes to me?
yeah. Actually, this is in my words. So if I provide now, you will be confused actually because I created these all images and all. Na, so how I
Okay,
do?
no problem. You just give it to me.
Okay,
I'll
chalo.
take it as a reference for
Okay,
that.
chalo. I'll give you. Chalo, fine. I'll give you.
Because videos are okay, but at least
See what happens now. Notes. What
if,
happens now? Notes is always good if you create your own.
yeah.
In
So by
college or
looking your notes only, I'll be able to create my own. Na?
no, then you'll be get more confused. That's why I'm just saying.
No, I
See,
don't. I'm not telling about that.
see,
You
see.
should give
These notes.
me
These notes how I created.
these.
Some I took the reference from the Chat GPT. Some of my understanding. Some of Google. Some of some
So,
videos. Some of something.
I
So all is combined.
okay. So yeah. So do one thing.
Hmm.
Shall I go with the module which we have discussed in our previous class?
Model means what?
The syllabus. I mean to say
Syllabus.
syllabus. So
Syllabus.
how many topics we have covered till
Let
now?
me.
Can we just go
Yeah,
through
yeah.